Who would have thought you could turn these rice noodles into a dessert in under 5 minutes? Let's show you our no-bake dessert.
To start off with, you want to get your rice noodles into a bowl and cover with boiling water. The rice noodles that we use already come portioned up.
So the rice noodles we use here are done in 3 minutes. So while you're waiting, you can roughly chop your pistachios.
Once the noodles are done, drain them and place them into a large bowl.
If you like these types of easy, quick recipes, hit that subscribe button. We have new videos every Thursday.
It's time to transform the rice noodles into a dessert. You first want to add a generous amount of ghee to the noodles.
To bring that sweetness to the dish, we go ahead and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of icing sugar.
To really bring together the sugar, ghee and the noodles, place the bowl into the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds until the sugar is melted.
To bring the dish to life, we add some cardamom and then top with pistachios. The pistachios really add a different texture and crunch.
This really is simple but delicious. It's perfect for a last-minute quick dessert.